Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to write plus 9 in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, select any cells, hold shift plus 9 on, press enter, and now you can see this automatically remove plus icon. Click again cells, single cells or multiple cells as you wish. Use single cells, then go to format tab, number, use custom number, and hold shift plus icon 9 on, use 9 on, and write number or no write number as you wish. Apply this and again write number, again go to format tab, number, custom number format, and type in a number. Apply. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.